Question 1, use Microsoft Excel to develop a spreadsheet that solves a 10 by 10 simultaneous equation using the inverse matrix method. And the question gave a 5 by 5 matrix. So in order to make it as in a 10 by 10 matrix, we combine it with an identity matrix here. So the whole matrix here, we let it be A, and this matrix here, we let it be B. And this is the constant values of the equation. So to form simultaneous equation, by forming the simultaneous equation, we need to multiply matrix A by matrix B, and this as equals to constant value of the equation. So this five value is given in the question, and from x6 to x10 is all 1 because we are using an identity matrix. Using this formula, matrix A times inverse matrix A equals to identity matrix. So we multiply on both sides of matrix equation with A inverse. So we multiply inverse matrix A by to a constant value of the equation, and we get a matrix B, which will become an identity matrix. So to find the inverse matrix A here, we need to implement a simple command, which is M inverse all capital letters, and include x1 to x5. And to solve all of these x values, we also include command which is M mult, and this is include all the inverse matrix and also the constant value of the equation. So the answer of this question is x1 equals 1, x2 equals 2, x3 equals 3, x4 equals 4, x5 equals 5. So after solving this simultaneous equation by matrix on the Excel, we know that the whole Excel spreadsheet is able to solve up to 10 simultaneous equations at once. So for question 2, we will be using Jacobi method to solve simultaneous equations. And so here we made 3 equations, which these are x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, and constant. So firstly, we make z as the subject, we get this, and we make x as subject and y as subject, we get these 3 formulas. So firstly, starting off by guessing x, y, and z initial constant to be 0, and we can see here our trial 0, the x, y, z value is all 0. And for accuracy check over here, it will be using the current trial number to minus off the previous trial number. So for example, the trial 1 accuracy check for x is 3.25 because the trial 1 x number is 3.25 and the trial 0 x number is 0. So by minusing the current trial number to the previous trial number, we get the accuracy check of x. And then so we will be using this formula, this cell command to solve this question. And by dragging down all of this cell value to about 44 iterations, we can see that the values of x, y, and z remaining constant. So we can conclude that x equals to 1, y equals to 4, and z equals to 1.